Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the month of April and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 weeks of April. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that for this particular month we have seen a green candle is trying to form. Overall trend is downside. As you can see, it has already made a high of around $131. After that there is a continuous downfall. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it has already made a low of around $64.37. After that it has tried to move upside and already made a high of around $83.42. Keep that in mind that once the price sustain above a level of $85.5, chances are high that we can see it can move further upside. But if the price fall below a level of $77, chances of touching $68.8 is on a higher side, because once it move below this particular support, which is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back. But if it moves below that particular level, chances of going towards below 70 is on a higher scale. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, I was keep repeating that after pandemic what we have seen, there is a pattern forming in crude. Okay, and this pattern is being repeated. See that whenever it hit its previous high, suppose this is the particular first high, okay, and this when it makes and crosses this second high, we have seen a sharp fall come, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and this is the fourth time what we have seen on a monthly basis chart, that this is the particular high and after that it has not made a swing. Okay, so probability can be high if this level sustain, or if it goes above a level of this, a level of 121, then only we can see it can move further upside and it can cross a level of around $131 and then further high if the price sustain. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what you can see, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 weeks of April, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can cross a level of around $85.28, because that is already a weak resistance and chances of going further upside is there. It can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $90.37. Suppose if the price move up that particular level, then it can cross a level of around $93.33, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone and chances are high it can touch a level of around $98.27. Okay, suppose if the price goes above that particular level, it can cross that particular level and can touch a level of around $101, and from there we can see it can go further upside and a probability of going towards 108.23 is there. Keep that in mind that once the price sustain above $108.23, then we can see yes, a probability of going further upside is on a higher side for crude prices, and once started moving upside, then you can see yes, a probability of going towards a level of 123 is there after crossing a level of $118. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, overall trend is downside, but we have seen a good volatility in the price of crude. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go towards its next support of around $82.05, and if that level move further low, then a chances of touching a level of 79.96 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see yes, a probability of going towards a level of $79.45 is there, and once started going below that particular zone, then we can see yes, a probability of touching 77.43 is there. Okay, and once started moving below that particular level, yes, a chances of touching a level of 74.97 is there, and from there we can see a level of 74, and once started moving below that particular level, it can touch a level of around $70.75 to a level of 68. Okay, understand, once the price fall below 70, then only we can see it can start falling below that particular zone. Okay, and then further if the price didn't sustain, keep that in mind that $68.4 is again a strong support after a level of 77. So we can see a bounce back can come from this particular zone, or if this fall, then only we can see and a further downfall we can see after the price of $68.5. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.